Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the LONPOO portable stereo CD player. Whoa, the Boombox with FM radio. Oh yeah, with Aux Line and headphone jack and USB port. Woo, foldable carrying handle. This is old school music. You can chill around with some Boombox because you can get the power inside with batteries. Oh yeah. Of course, you can make an AC adapter too. You have wireless operation. Bluetooth cables, smartphones, and tablets can be easily connected with the Boombox. This CD player is not with a Bluetooth transmitter function, and it can connect other Bluetooth speakers or headphones via Bluetooth. But it is enough to get your smartphone, for example, docked in this device. The aux input also connected to other kinds of audio devices. The Boombox is controlled via an easy-to-understand operation section. You have some buttons, what are you going to push, and then you can use it immediately. You have quality sound experience. The 2x2-watt built-in speakers and headphone output give you the choice between loud music for your garden party with great sound quality or quiet music and enjoyment with headphones. No complaints from your other neighbors. So this is an all-in-one portable CD player. Ha ha ha, old school baby, radios in there. Unlimited mobility. Of course, a Boombox must always be ready to go anywhere. To this end, the battery compartment allows you to operate the Boombox with 4 Type-C batteries, so that you can enjoy hours of music anywhere you want and far away from the main street. And it's easy to enjoy. All what you get is an FM radio transmitter here. That means you can hear so much local radio sound with this device. A top-side CD player plays audio CDs, CD-ROMs, CD rewritable ROMs, or MP3 CDs. And a USB port allows you to play MP3 from flash drives. If there is no music storage device at the end, the built-in FM radio provides access to current hits or the latest news. Oh, that means this is a classic CD player with an upgraded modern thing in it because it has an Bluetooth connection solution for all your Bluetooth enabled devices out there. Of course, you can use to dock an iPhone or an iPad with jack by using the headphone jack cable to headphone jack cable, and then you can get the sound out of your iPad or iPhone into this portable stereo Boombox. Awesome for outdoor use, but take care it is not waterproof. But if you are on the way, on the road, you can use this to have some fun. It has a good quality of music, and it is not so expensive, and I am going to use this for my garage, because if I'm repair some cars, for example, it is dangerous to get every time my so expensive iPhone for this to have some fun or sound there. And of course, I'm using my iPhone often to make some videos for you. So this is my second choice to get a portable stereo CD player into my garage. Oh yeah, and so this I like really much. It is a stereo CD player, a Boombox. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. Boombox.